one I think is spicy.
Okay. Then give me I want to buy new clothes. Can I saw baby's clothes. Just $12 for baby, but it's a jumpsuit.
Is that ketchup? Mama, that's ketchup.
Yes.
And then next week will be March.
Make it so spicy. You like the food?
I need this one.
Lagyan mo ko doon para ganun ganun. Pinky. Para ganun. Wait, we cannot finish it. Like if you buy in, like big, right? Okay, put it to the table. But I think the price is right now. Surprise.
And this mix together. Chili.
Stephanie, if you want more, can ask. Sarap yung ano, yung bones, ay yung meat sa may bones. Bones. Kailangan mo si bones. Okay, sarap talaga siya.
This one you mix together chili. You try chili, You see, it's chili.
I-dip niya yung spaghetti sa ketchup tapos sa gravy.
I found it's emotional. It's really over here. Yeah. You don't have like me, you don't have about me. We are catching the fish. Where's the finish?
You finish pa.
How long will you take after to finish the rice? Why not to buy?
I wish I had to go to the train.
飞是什么？飞是火车。
Mama, I wish I had to go to the train.
There was take train before.
我要去火车。
I want. Not an island.
Okay, now we have to buy your food.
Why you do your
And there is no direct train on the way back to our house.
I want a train.
We don't have, you have to walk. Yeah.
It wasn't like that. I want a train. เอาตีสยาม spicy and spicy. Spicy. Gravy and ketchup. Spicy.
要用幾多個揾？
Yeah, she's still eating.
Mama!
Yeah, it's okay. Wait. Oh, because water.
My one's so wet. Don't have any water, no?
No, Lalat, no. No.
好啊。
Like, compromising.
We need tissue. Tissue time.
No, your hand. You wipe your hand. You wipe your hand there. Already wiping hand. Too much. No, you wipe your hand. Wipe your hand. Wait. Wait.
I'm also too wet. Oh, my diamonds are also too wet.
Okay, you eat.
Okay.
Finish na yun.
Put the winners and then the winners, you can go at the train. That's nice.
I don't know why I'm eating that. You give it to me.
That's nice, might do that. Mama, is this spicy?
Nabalong ako. Tira yun. Saro. Dalaw.
I don't want the chicken. Mama, I don't want the chicken.
Pero ang ano naman.
I don't want the chicken. Really worry.
Kamali ko sa dikit.
I don't know.
Sira ko sa dikit. Sira mas maganda pa. Esto pag nalala.
Ini belok sana depan.
Kenapa kamu nyampe?
We know if we are already finished.
Yeah, you always go to IKEA.
Come, I tell you, yeah. Love it, yeah. No, we love to go to train.
Oh, you remember how to go back?
No? Let's cannot go to IKEA one. We gotta go to the mall. Oh no, your Grammy one's full. Your Grammy one's full and big bus is all. Right, you can. So I'm gonna take the train. No, I don't want the chicken. Not my favorite. No, the chicken's not my favorite. I go to the other. Over there.
No place. The one is on the way to Basta. Bus station. Bus station, they go home.
That would be home. No, I don't want to go home. I only want to go at the train. Train cannot go back home. I don't want to go home, dog. Mama, I don't want to go home. Mama, I don't want to go home.
Da.
I don't want to go home.
Da.
I don't want to go home.
Basta we're going to Mayugo.
Di ba yan? Doon ako. No, we take bus.
We don't have the card, MRT card. I left in the house. One more thing is we haven't taken your MRT card yet. We must apply for that.
Yun, yung tapasan mo.
You know, it's more easy for us to go somewhere. If you have a car, you know. If you don't like, we can send. Walk.
Well, let's see.
Pwede naman tayo natin iba.
We call Minion. Call Minion.
Bawa ka tayo.
Sunday.
Ang so full. So full. Ang so full. I am giant cooler. Can I do that? Can I eat the ice cream?
But you have to drink water, huh?
Okay, can I?
You say that. Wait. Pero may mas nandun ako. May pag-vlog na natin.
I eat ice cream. Can I eat? No, because I'm gonna eat it. You say.
Masya.
You eat one, huh?
Drink my water.
No, give me that too.
Balik mo na yung bread. Balik. Oh, ikaw.
Guys, ito yung aming natirang pagkain. Ito yung
Yeah, tissue paper.
How about mine?
no more. You finish your chicken na? The spaghetti and the chicken also finished. How about you, ate? Yes.
I want the chicken. Hey, you know what I get from there?
How about you, see
The
you?
French fries. I want the chicken.
You don't want the chicken na? Chicken, but the spaghetti also finished then. And so guys, that's the end of our video.
Bye.
Not yet.
But we are gonna take the train.
Ano, gusto nilang magsakay sa train tsaka sa bus. And pag-subscribe na rin ang aming YouTube channel sa hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe. At kapindot na rin ang bell button para updated kayo sa mga bagong uploads namin. And hope to see you again sa susunod naming video. Bye! Say bye! Busy siya. Say bye! Bye! Tulog yung baby ko. Bye!
Theo, you don't want?
So, tingin kami ng gamit ng mga kids. Kung merong sale. Let's go!
And my daddy.
Okay, where's my mask?
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's